Hi, my name is Caden, here at Savage Turf Wars, and today we're reviewing the Nerf Fortnite ARL. Let's jump right into this. To open this, you need, just a cutting tool. There's tape here, show you, here. You just gotta cut it. Let the box slide out to reveal the gun. Throw the box away. And you're left with your instructions, your comically oversized Nerf ARL, your comically oversized magazine, and 20 darts. First, you just kind of want to tug your magazine out, just like so. Then use your knife or cutting tool, whatever you have here. Cut the tape. They actually tape this thing fairly sloppy. So that pulls out your ARL, and you have your darts, which is cool because this thing holds 10 and it comes with 20. So that's awesome. I enjoy when they add more darts because they never add more darts. So magazine goes in, slide it in there pretty good. You got your darts, just kind of sprinkle them all over the place. Then, since this is a battery-powered blaster, you want to unscrew the battery door, which is just below the front muzzle. And I did not unscrew it fully. This reveals 4 AA battery slots. You want to take your batteries that were not included with the gun and put them in the hole. The spring is negative. The front is positive. All right. After you have finished, slide it back in, screw it back on, and it revs. I don't know if you can hear it. It's fairly quiet. Put it next to my mic. Your magazine button right here. It's just your magazine release. Rev trigger. Actual trigger. You have your sights here. 1 Nerf rail. You got your muzzle, of course, battery. This is your unjam mechanism, which it really is a strife. My opinion of this blaster is it's kind of cool for, I guess, cosplay. I do think the magazine is oversized. Definitely for any other blaster. Here's a 6-round magazine in here. It looks actually fairly okay. Here is another 6-round magazine. This is from the Alpha Hawk or one of the AccuStrike series. Looks a bit different, but overall, I feel like it's a decently cool gun. Cool for cosplaying. It actually has better FPS performance than I thought it would have. Normally for the Star Wars, it's kind of down to about 40 FPS. This one's actually a standard 60, which is standard for the hammer shot. Basically, any elite ones that we have there, the jolts probably go a bit under that, but that's basically my opinion. Kind of easy. I wish I could stock it here. Wish the sights weren't as ugly in the way. I would definitely keep this down when I'm playing. And that's about it, so we'll get on to Lance's opinion.
Hey guys, Lance here on staff with Turf Wars, here to give my take on the Fortnite ARL. It's an elite blaster. It's automatic, so I automatically don't like it. That's my thinking on these. I never really like the automatics. They're always weak. The batteries, they run out like that. I haven't really seen battery life on this yet, but I don't really have high hopes of the gun. It does seem really cheap. It's just a strife reskin. It doesn't really seem needed. We bought this for $46, $48, something like that. $50 with shipping. It's not really worth that much. I'd say wait till the price goes down, then buy it for cosplay. You don't need to buy it right now. It's going to be ridiculously overpriced because they just came out. Now we bought it just because our Fortnite event, it's coming up sometime in May 11th. We're in Oklahoma. If you want to come see us then, come up. $5 and we'll rent you this gun, the pistol, and any of the 4 jolts. But as for the gun, back to the gun. Jam door is actually really nice. The magazine pullout, it's all right. I do agree with my coworker on the fact that this needs to be longer. I'm gonna just end up sticking an 18 mag in whenever I use this thing and try to use that. But I don't even know how that will look. But as I said before, I don't really like automatics, so my opinion is gonna be highly negative with this gun. Though it does have a sight. That is awesome though. The sight's one good thing about it. The stock is really short for this oversized of a blaster. This barrel seems like you could just chop it all off. But other than that, iffy gun, wait till the price goes down. That's it.
Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to click subscribe. That kind of helps us out, grows the channel. Feel free to like this video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. Check out our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our website in the description of the video. That's about it. All I have to say. Thank you for watching till the end. It's me signing off.